Will Smith could possibly be the biggest simp in civilization.
From here, the voice, you know what you do, you know. I represent for Top Black TV, Bodies TV worldwide. Top Black, big up yourself.
Greetings. Welcome back to the program. Welcome back to Top Black TV. If you're new to the channel, or the channel is new to you, please do like, share, subscribe. And don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever Top Black TV drops another bomb. Did I even one iota of Jamaican in a fiend blood? Will Smith would at least get a defense. The bare minimum. When I get him Oscar, crossing face. But Chris Rock take that like my Jesus. It look like Chris Rock could have turned the other cheek. Listen, not even a Jamaican school youth would have take a slap there.
Back so.
A hell and powder off. Him could even try that with major eye.
Fire. Back so. Hold up. Yeah, madman, our dog. Remember tell you what's poppin'. Things where you go on a road kinda shocking. They are me yard and my TV me watching. Here Chris Rock give a joke and Will Simp walk on the stage and clap him. Imagine, not even one security no stop him. And if a yard man that couldn't happen. Anyhow your box a yard man before the light a straight coffin. Box while you must a psycho, the Draco. Make you change color like Geico. You feel say yardy, I go hug up and fight you. We wake the dogs, make the crocodile teeth bite you. Me see the man get a box and all stutter can't chat. So me know say I no yard man that. Try that with wheel like blood fire posse. Everybody have to flat. Remember,
Chris Rock don't even have a Jamaican friend. Because Chris Rock have a Jamaican friend. As the box reach him, he must seem Jamaican friend named Ed. I say,
no boy. Can't box me in my face.
So, if me have a Jamaican friend, he wouldn't take that. So when I say, Chris Rock, he have no Jamaican in him. But this is not about Chris Rock. This is about Will Simp. AKA Will Smith. Will Smith could possibly be the world's biggest simp. The biggest simp in the history of civilization. No civilization, no. Civilization. If you search the whole of Simp City, you can't find a bigger simp than Will Simp. Oh, Will. Come here. Look closer, look up. Come on. Come here. Hold that. What did that for? You still a try please this woman
at the red table because she's helped us a lot, can't you tell?
the woman where don't give one about your feelings. You remember the time you try to her the biggest day in her life? And what she said to you? Mommy, you tell the people then.
The day after her 37th birthday, I hired a team to orchestrate her 40th birthday. I hired a documentary team. I traced Mommy's family roots. Her 40th birthday was going to be my thing.
It was going to be a splash.
It was going to be a splash. Mary J. Blige performed. I debuted the film, all of that. It was going to be the thing that lifted her out of this midlife crisis, and it was going to be my deepest, most beautiful proclamation of love. And she's told me that the party was the most ridiculous display of my ego. Crushed.
And even after that, you still realize there's no pleasing this woman. Even if you please her, she not gonna tell you. Well, right now, you lose yourself. You don't know if you are Will Smith or Will I Am. You don't know if you are Hancock or enemy of the state. You don't know if you are Ali or Aladdin. If he's a bad boy or a cowboy. You don't know if he's a legend or a robot. But come like, he's a legendary robot. Because you go in a robot mode day and night. Because you hear the joke. And you find the joke funny. And you laugh. You give it the Will Smith grin. See? But then you look over so. And she give you that look. And look what you know. Because you show you that look so many times that when you glimpse it, you know the fullness thereof. So you see the look. You get triggered into iRobot. You turn iRobot and just walk straight up the lane. You do the point your name. A night where it's a black man that hosts the Oscar. A night where you nominated. You risk everything just to once again show this woman who don't give one shit about your feelings. Say you put on everything. You see? You know, say every time you do that, so you put it in your face. And you see? And that happen. She tell you, not even tell you, she tell the world, say you're wrong for slap me out. Now you who claim to you strong in yourself, Miss Jada. You screw your face when you hear the joke. And it wasn't even a heavy joke. The joke light. It never make reference to your illness, the medical condition. It make reference to a character in a movie. If you're so confident within yourself, you shouldn't give Will Smith the death look and make him turn iRobot and go up the lane, go do the pan them name. Now I'm going to live with Dodo State. Right? You, my friend, are suffering from sympnesia. It's a form of amnesia. But sympnesia is when you forget yourself. You no longer have the ability to think about yourself. You only can think about that which turn you in a simp. My guy, sorry to tell you now, there's no known cure for sympnesia. No clinical study, no data. Only yourself can get any kind of information upon sympnesia. And we can tell you this. Only way to combat sympnesia is to take away your DNA. In other words, take away yourself from people, places and things which trigger your sympnesia. And in that order too, people, meaning the woman where you there with. Places, meaning the house where you live with the woman where you there with. And things, meaning everything where you in there. Left everything. Leave with the shirt on your back. That's the only way we can combat. Simple easy. You can't believe this till I tell please the woman here now. A woman where no matter what she do, she never wrong yet. There is no transgression where she can say, boy, I know something that me shouldn't they do. I'm going to go too far this up. All when she transgress with her youth friend. Will Smith take that, drive, and then by the cry, him just sigh and they are blind. When you talk about it publicly, she said, boy, I know something. I just feel she want to feel good, you know. Just want to feel good.
So what happened, Jada?
Okay, so I think it was about 4 years ago.
And then what did you do, Jada?
Well, you know, I think from there, you know, as time went on, I got into a different kind of entanglement.
I think you need to say clearly what happened.
And I got into an entanglement with August. That's what I said.
That's what I said.
An entanglement?
Yes. Yes.
A relationship?
Yes. It was a relationship. Absolutely.
It was a relationship. Absolutely.
What do you feel like you were looking for?
I just wanted to feel good.
Mm-hmm.
It had been so long since I felt good.
Since I felt good.
Now I got to be with you at the press conference while you like tell the world about your transgressions.
Well,
Like, I love my baby. I'm gonna stand by my baby no matter what.
So that means you never make her feel good. She just wanted to feel good. And you is not somebody should I go to feel good. So she go to her new friend to feel good. Me wanna know how you get so vexed so the man tell a joke. As a matter of fact, you didn't vex about the joke. According to your words, you vex about him having our name in her mouth.
Keep my wife's name out your mouth.
So no matter what him say about her, the fact him have her name in her mouth, that you mad about. We never get mad about where going to fear more.
I am the one your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
When she put her fear mouth to feel good, you don't call a transgression because she tell us that she don't find it a transgression.
I definitely understand why it would look that way or feel that way, but I actually don't look at it as a transgression at all.
I actually don't look at it as a transgression.
My youth, you is exactly where all them young youth should not be. The success part, oh yeah, 100%. But the sympology where you are demonstrate, the simpmanship we are portray, every youth man to learn from this. If there are a woman where you cannot leave in a heartbeat if she diss the program, if she transgress. Head for the hills. If she got transgress, and for some reason, you still want there with her, I'll tell you something. One thing I can tell you for you. And the same thing I tell Will Smith. My lad.
Run.
Stop trying to please this woman. My guy. You have to deal with a sociopath. Somebody who don't have the ability to feel what anybody else feel. Somebody who use and manipulate other people to feed them good. My guy. What you say for them?
Run.
Will, trying to please this girl. But guess what? You never will. Will. This is
Top Black TV.
Get mad now, get mad now, get mad now, get mad now.